Hi everyone, welcome back to my daily English speaking challenge. Today is day 6 and the topic is, what does success mean to you? This is a very important question because success means different things to different people. And as usual, we are going to go through guiding questions. And the first guiding question is, how do you personally define success? So for me, success is not only about achieving big goals, it's more about progress, improving myself step by step, staying consistent, and being proud of my journey. Success is beyond what we traditionally think, and it can have many other meanings. This leads us to the next question. Do you think success always involves money or status? No, I don't think so. Money and status can be parts of success, but they don't define it. Many people with money are not happy, and many ordinary people are very successful because they live with purpose, peace, and satisfaction. We need many other things in our lives in order to be happy, and so do we for success, simply because you can talk about success if happiness is not involved. This is at least what we can observe from successful people around us. And so the next question I'm going to answer is, who is someone you consider successful and why? For me, a successful person is someone who inspires others and live with courage. For example, a YouTuber called Julian Song, a French international master chess player. He is someone who is trying to promote his passion. I mean, chess in the world, especially in French-speaking countries. The way he does it is quite inspiring. That's helped me a lot, not only with my chess level, but also to believe in my own dreams. I consider him successful because he doesn't give up and he creates value for others, which is essential for me to be successful. Guiding question number 4, have your ideas about success changed over time? My idea about success has changed over time. Before, I thought success was only about having money or a good job. But now I believe success is more personal. It's about growth, confidence, and doing what really matters to me when enjoying the process, because it's the only thing I have control on. I don't have control on the outcome, but I do have it on what I do right now. And now the fifth question. What small successes have you had recently? So recently, a small success for me is speaking English every day in this challenge. Another one is publishing my videos on YouTube, even if I'm not perfect. These small wins keep me motivated. You know, it's not easy at all to make a video every day in a language you don't have mastery on. And additionally, the circumstances aren't really optimal, but I won't take those as excuses. I want to be successful, and so I'm going to do what I need to do in order to become successful. So the final question is, what does being successful in life look like to you? Okay, for me, being successful in life means having balance, being healthy, being surrounded by people I love, doing meaningful work, and staying true to myself. This is what a successful life looks like to me, because in everything in life, we need balance. Balance is key and essential to be happy, as this is what we all look for. And so that's it for today. In short, to me, success is not just about money or status, it's progress, consistency, and inner peace. I'd love to know, what does success mean to you as well. Share your thoughts in the comments and leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe for day 7 tomorrow. Thank you for watching and see you next time.